Google has recently added some incredible functionality to their Photos app. I am running Android version 7.0 on a Motorola G5 Plus. I store my photos with Google Photos. When I click on the Photos icon, I can see a new link to use a preview of Google Lens functionality. Clicking on the icon for Google Lens, we can see that Google identifies this as Oriental Leopard's Bane. Clicking through to Wikipedia, we can find out more specific species information about this plant. Here's another example. Here we're clicking on a flower that we found in the woods, and Google Lens is identifying that as starflower. And I've had it identify plants without any flowers on them at all, just from the leaves. Here we can see the Wikipedia information from that plant. Here's a tree. I took a photo of an oak leaf, and Google Lens identifies that as a swamp white oak. And Wikipedia information for that, as well as the distribution of that particular tree. Finally, here's a grass that we're identifying using Google Lens, and that's identified as Japanese stilt grass. And here's the Wikipedia information for that particular species.